Hello students, today I am going to teach you about the food and its sources. This is about the food that we eat and what type of diet we should include in our daily meals. Okay, so let us start. Firstly, I would like to tell what is nutrition. Nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. We all need nutrition. How do we take the nutrition? The food provides us nutrients for the growth of our body. The food that we eat and the nutrition that we take provides nutrients for the growth of our body. It provides energy necessary to carry out various life activities. Then it helps in the repair of replacement of worn out cells. Protects our body from various diseases and it keeps it fit. Okay, so the nutrition gives us provides us four main points. What are those? It provides us nutrients for the growth of our body. It provides energy necessary to carry out various life activities. It helps in the repair of replacement of worn out cells. It protects our body from various diseases and keeps it fit. Okay. Then let us move to the meal. Our meal includes variety of food items. What are those? A single food never provides us all the nutrients. So we need different kind of food to get the nutrition and nutrients required for our body, such as the cereals, fish, eggs, meat, vegetables, fruits, and some dairy products. These all are needed for nutrition and growth of our body. Then what is an ingredient? You know, your mother cooks food. When your mother cooks food, she puts some ingredients into that, then only the food becomes tasty. Otherwise, if there is no ingredient, then how will the food be prepared? So the substances from which the food is made are called ingredients. What do you need? Can you tell me what are the ingredients when you prepare Maggi? You need to put the raw Maggi packet, which is given which you get it from the market, and then you need to put some water. Then you need to boil the water and you put the Maggi inside that, and then the taste maker is also provided in the packet, which you need to put in the bowl to prepare the Maggi. This is the ingredient to prepare the Maggi. Okay, so same way for vegetable curry, what are the ingredients? The spices, salt, vegetable, and water. These are the ingredients for vegetable curry. Now moving forward, we will look at the food items and other ingredients. Like the boiled rice, what are the ingredients? The ingredients are rice and water. For chapati, you need flour and water. And for vegetable curry, you need vegetable, salt, spice, oil, and water. For dal, you need pulses, salt, spice, oil, and water. The same way for all other things. Then moving forward to the sources of food. What are the sources of food? The plants, we get sources of food. That means from where do we get the food? We get food from animals as well as plants. So the food that we get from plants are rice, sugar, wheat, spices, fruits, chocolates, vegetables, tea, coffee, etc. And what are the food that we get from animals? Meat, chicken, fish, cheese. Cheese comes from milk. So milk is given by animals. Okay. Are you clear, children? So then moving forward to the edible parts of the plant. All plants have different edible parts. So we from some plants we eat the flowers, such as the broccoli and cauliflower. And for some plants we eat the leaves like spinach, cabbage, lettuce, and Brussels sprouts. And some plants we also eat the stem, such as celery and asparagus. From some plants we eat the roots. Potatoes, onions, radishes, turnips, carrots are all roots of the plants that we eat. And for seeds, we eat the sunflower seeds, corn seeds, peas, bean. All are the seeds that we eat. So they are known as the edible parts of the plant. Then moving forward, we come what is a balanced diet, which is very important nowadays. When due to this corona, we have to eat a balanced diet. Otherwise, what will happen if we take a lot of junk food? Then our immune power will be reduced and we may get infected very quickly. So we need to eat a balanced diet. So what is a balanced diet? A balanced diet is which contains all the nutrients needed by the body. It is called the balanced diet. All the ingredients, all the nutrients that are needed by the body is the balanced diet. Now, what is nectar? Nectar is the sweet juice that is found in the flowers and is known as the nectar. Then edible, just now I told you the plant material or from the plants or animals that we eat and which are safe for eating are known as the edible substances. Then the sprouted seeds. What are sprouted seeds? When the seeds such as moong or chana have been kept in a dipped in water for a day. Then the soaked seeds are wrapped in a piece of wet clothes and set aside. After 2 to 3 days, we see a white structure grow out from the seeds. This stage of the seeds is called the sprouted seeds. Okay. Okay. Then the food habits of some animals. There are how many types of food habits? There are 5 types of food habits classified according to the eating habit. The animals are classified into 5 types depending upon the eating habits. What are the herbivorous animals? Herbivorous are the animals that eat only plants. For example, you can say goat, sheep, cow, etc. And for carnivorous, you can say animals that eat other animals as their food are known as carnivorous animals such as lion, tiger, lizard, etc. And what are omnivorous animals? Animals that eat plants as well as animals. Other animals for their food are known as the omnivorous animals. You can say dogs, human beings, they also eat plants, human beings, and they also eat the animals for their living. And bear are also the same. Bear also eat nuts and the seeds and all that and plants, but it also eats the flesh of other animals. Then comes the parasites. What are parasites? Animals that give food, get their food by living inside or outside the body of other living organism. For example, you can say lice or tapeworm. They all lice lives on your head, on your hair, in your hair for sucking the blood. And tapeworm is also a parasite. Then scavengers, animals which feed on the dead bodies of animals, for example, vulture, jackal, etc. are known as the scavengers. Okay, children. So this is done for today. Bye-bye.